small things lead to higher changes. Good afternoon. Hello everyone. Nitin here. If total income is not liable to tax, whether it is required to file ITR. As per the Income Tax Act, ITR is mandatory for those individuals or HUF having gross total income more than 2.5 lakhs per annum in case of general citizen, 3 lakh per annum in case of senior citizen, and 5 lakh per annum in case of super senior citizen. That means aged 80 or more than 80 years. If these person having income, that is gross total income more than the basic exemption limit, they should file ITR mandatory. Companies, cooperative and firm, whether they having profit or loss, they should require to file ITR mandatory. Individuals or any persons having asset or having any investment outside India, they should require to file ITR mandatory. So as I am telling, ITR is one of the important document for doing financial transaction. Whether you having income or not liable to tax, it is better to file ITR, because ITR is one of the important document that what I am telling. We need to file ITR, that as we are a responsible citizen of India, we require to file ITR whether we having any income or no, whether we paying tax or no. We should file ITR for doing any of the further business transaction or any financial transaction. You are going to a bank official ask your ITR for sanctioning loan, that you want a loan for starting your business, or you want a loan for purchasing house, or you construction of any building. ITR is mandatory for a bank official will they will ask your ITR, because they want to know what is your source of income. They want to know how much you are paying tax to the government. This detail they want to know, and what's your repayment capacity. That for all this detail, ITR is one of the important document. And for visa, for your if you want to apply for visa, ITR is one of the important document that official will require your document. And property registration, if you want to register your property, you have to submit your ITR for property registration. So all these circumstances, I am telling, ITR is one of the important document. So it is better to file your ITR whether you having any income or not, whether you paying tax or not. It is better to file ITR.